Hi, my name is Darren Kimsey, and I'm here at Mimo Monitors to briefly describe some of the monitors we have. We have quite a few monitors that are all touchscreen, and these are just displays, and the displays can have just a USB hookup, so the USB provides power and the display. Of course, there's no internet here apparently, but then we also have displays that have HDMI, HDMI capture, and USB. And then if we walk around to the other side, you can see that we have another several monitors, but these all have Android in them, and they're all touch as well. So we have the capability of adding some accessories to some of our panels, where I can put in LED lights, or I can put in a card reader. And these can all be mounted. They're all VESA mountable capabilities as far as putting on a wall or on a desk. And then this is something that most people have never seen before. This is a touch screen, but that has haptics. So as I put my finger across, you'll get a different feeling as far as what you're doing. And then ideally, this could go into a touch control panel. And now when I'm making the volume go up and down, I'm actually getting feedback on my finger. So for more information about Mimo monitors, please go to www.mimomonitors.com, and I'm done.